Okay guys, so if this raise to wake is not working on the Apple Watch, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So to start, just go into your settings. Press on display and brightness. So for the first step, you have to make sure both these are turned on. So you have wake on wrist raise and wake on crown rotation. So if they're already on, you want to turn them off and back on. You see for me though, it's still not working. So next step, back in your settings, press back. So you're going to go to press on general, press on orientation. Just make sure this is correct. So for me it is. Okay, so next step. So this is probably the most common one. Now what you want to do, so you're just going to press the side button. You see for me theater mode is turned on, so you have to turn that off. Just a couple more things, so if those do not work, press on settings. So go back to your main settings page. Now first you're going to go into general, press on software update. So just make sure you're up to date. The final thing is you're going to do force restart, so you're going to hold both the crown and the side button. Just keep holding to see the apple. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully one of these helped out.